Brian here with B&J Barbecue. Today we're going to be doing baby back ribs. So first all we're going to do is trim it up. If you see anything kind of hanging off, just get rid of it. Now there's a small bone down here. Just going to cut that off. Square everything up. Now flip it over. Now you can pull the membrane off, but to be honest with you, I'm too lazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be scoring it, and it seems to have worked every time in the past when I've smoked ribs. Alright, so now we're going to season the underside first. We're using Killer Hogs Texas brisket rub. It's just a salt, pepper, onion, and garlic blend. But actually, first we're going to transfer it over to the pan, because if I make a mess, my wife is going to hurt me. Get everything, get all sides. Kind of pat it. Now, before we flip it over and season the other side, we got some. Oh, fuck, I forgot to open it. Some Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. Same thing. Make sure you get all on the sides, everywhere else. Then we're gonna flip it. Do the same thing on this side. Hey, you gotta put this in your fridge or let it sit out for at least 15 to 20 minutes to let those seasonings pull some moisture out and really get into the meat. So today we're smoking on a pitboss Austin XL smoker. I already got the smoker set at 250 degrees. You're gonna take the thicker end, put that closer to the fire pot. There, you'll let that go 3 hours. Then come back and check on it. Alright, so we're at about the 2 hour mark. That's a nice color. We're gonna give you spits. Stop everything from drying out. Alright, time to unwrap the ribs. Nice and juicy. Perfect.
That's same.
That'll do it for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.